Good day, and welcome to another Binary 360 video. My name is Jonathan, and today I will be running you through Tradingview.com. It is a trading platform that we normally use at Binary 360, and we recommend it for all our traders. So what I'll do is I'll run you through the basics of the platform so you can get an idea of how to run through it. And yeah, so we'll start with our basic search. It's www.tradingview.com, and you'll see it'll be the first one, so we'll do a click there. Once it has been loaded, this is TradingView. It's a great site. Actually, there's a lot of people that interact. There's chats as well included in there, so you can look at other people's views of different asset classes. You'll see the graphs there. For example, this person is talking about the euro, USD. You'll have people talking about Apple, perhaps the S&P 500. So what you can do is, once you've got onto the tradingview.com website, you can log in through your Google accounts. Should you have Gmail, you can use that to log in. Otherwise, you can create an account in order to have access. Now, once you have access, right at the top, you'll see there's different tools. You can just click on chart, and automatically it will take you to the different charts available. Now, this is what the platform looks like. It's very user-friendly, very easy to read as well. That's the one reason why we use it here at Binary 360. I find it very clean and user-friendly. Now, what you can do, what we'll start with, is how do you choose your stocks? Because that's the first thing you would like to do. So, for example, let's say we're looking for Apple, which is currently the chart that I have on the site. But should you like to do it yourself, or it's not present at when you start the platform, you can just go into the right side, and you'll see it says add symbol. You can click there. Once you click, you can just type in the stock that you are looking for. So I'll type in Apple. You'll see nothing comes up. The reason for that is because I've chosen Forex. So what you can do is just make it all or either stock, and automatically it will pick it up. You'll see the first two is Apple. So you'll click on Apple, and then automatically it would load. Because my Apple chart has been loaded already, there's no need to load again. So once it's been loaded, you'll see it will automatically add it to your watch list, and it will be there. I've got a few. I normally have currencies, the S&P 500 as well, which is SPX. I've got that would be that's not currently running. I've got oil as well, and then Facebook and other ones. You can just choose what you'd like, but for today we'll just go through Apple and run through it. You'll see just below your watch list of all your stocks, you can choose. You have Apple, your chats. There's basically people posting about Apple, and it's actually quite a nice feature. You can see what other people have to say. They also post charts as well, so you can interact and see other traders' views on what's going on the market. Another feature that you can do just to get you going is, should you like to move the graph, if you do a left click wherever the graph is, you can just left click, move to the left or move to the right. You see the chart moves by itself. So when looking at the top tools that you have for TradingView, you start with obviously the name or the code for the stock that you're currently looking at. Right on the right side, you will have your periods. What this stands for is the amount of time on each candle. We're using candles in this case, so you'll see for this example there will be 1 day. So each candle that you see in there represents a 1-day trading session. So should you like to make it smaller, you can go up to a 1 minute. There you go. You can see a 1 minute. So each candle now represents a 1 minute period. You can go up to, let's say, 30 minutes, or even up to a month if you'd like. You can see what has happened on Apple. So we'll just make it a daily one. So if you're a daily trader, you can just use 1 day. Now the next thing that you'll see after the 1D is bar style. So basically what this is, it gives you the option that you can choose what chart pattern you want to look at. So you can go for bars or candles, the one that I was using, and the next one, most common one, is line. Very easy one to read. It does have other this got other chart patterns that you can use, like area or perhaps the line break. But normally you'll stay with bars, candles, or line. But obviously if you'd like the other ones, you can choose them as well. You do have chart properties. Normally I don't change any of these things. That is quite nice already. But should you like to change the background or change the color of the candlesticks, you can do that. On the right side, after that, you have indicators. So this is all your different momentum indicators. For example, the moving average, stochastic, or the RSI, the relative strength index. So let's say you would like to look at the RSI, for example. You click on it and automatically it will come up. You see, it's quite nice. Should you like to make it a bit smaller, you can just click on the line break, move it down, and make the graph a little bit bigger for the chart on top. Should you like to make it bigger, you just move it up. It also allows you to custom or change the time or the length of the RSI. So should you like to do that, you just click on the middle option, which is format, and then you just change the length. Let's say you're more of you like 21 days. You press OK, and there we go, it's changed already. Should you not like to have a look at this, you can just hide it away as well. So that's a nice feature. You can just hide it. Should you like to take it out, you can just delete, and there we go, back to normal. Another indicator that perhaps you'd like to look at will be Bollinger Bands. Let's see, it's taking a while. Let's try it again. There we go, it's up there. Well, it's not loading at the moment, but you should be able to see the Bollinger Bands. It does take, sometimes what happens, it takes a while for the indicator to load all the information, and then it pops up. For now, we'll just take it out. You get an idea of how it works basically in the indicators. As for study templates, we won't be looking at that on this video, and publish ideas, we won't do that either. Now when you look at the left side, you'll see you get another set of tools that you can use. This will be for the, you can change it to dot or perhaps an arrow as well if you feel more comfortable. I normally just like the cross, feels a little bit more convenient. Then you will have your lines that you can construct. So should you like to create a trend line, which is what you currently have, you click there. You're able to select your color and your width. So you'll just click on the level that you want to start with. So let's say we start here and we'll move up to the line where it breaks, and just click away, click once again, and there we go. You click on anywhere in the page and automatically the trend line has been built. It is quite nice. If you'd like to build another trend line, let's say a secondary trend line, you can just do the same thing again. Once you're done, you click on the left, and there we go. Pretty easy, straightforward. If you want to remove the lines, you just click on the line. You'll see that automatically it picks up. There we go. The trading. Sorry, it just started trading. You can see it's starting to upload information. If you want to take the trend lines out, you just click on them and press delete on your keyboard, and we do the same for this keyboard as well. The next thing that you will get is your different theories. For example, the pitchfork, the very famous Fibonacci retracement, just to get you an idea. So let's say we want to use the Fibonacci retracement. You click on it. We will go through, let's for example use the lowest point on the graph, which is right there. You click on it, and then you move it to the highest point. That's how the theory goes. Automatically picks up everything, and it will also pick up the higher point, and you just left click once again. So there we go. That's your Fibonacci. If you'd like to take it out, you just click on it. You'll see it makes the circles at the end of each, so you know you are selecting it, and you click delete, and there we go, it goes away. You'll also have okay, that's Fibonacci retracement. If you'd like to add, you know, effects or clips, you can do that. It's a very nice platform actually to use. We delete that again. If you'd like to add words, you can do that as well. You'll have the Elliott wave theory as well. It can be used should you know how that works. You can add arrows as well, and we're not going to go through all the features, but just in case, let's say you want to go in a long position, you click on it, you click your starting point, and then automatically will tell you exactly what will happen. And if it hits the target, it works out for you the percentage going up and going down. This is more of an advanced theory that they use. You want to delete it, click there, and that's about it. So yeah, that's about it. Very straightforward how to use Tradingview. If you have any questions, you can just put them on the chat now after the video, and we will answer all of that for you. Otherwise, we do have a live chat, or you can email us directly to support@binary360.com. Thank you for your time, and have a great day. Cheers.